You wake up tired, not just physically, tired of doing everything right, but still feeling off. You take care of your family, you manage your responsibilities, you show up, but something feels missing. You don't say it out loud, you push it down, because life is already full, because wanting more feels hard to admit. But it's there, that quiet thought. There has to be more than this. Not more pressure, not more tasks, something deeper, meaning, direction, something that feels like you. And this is where the question comes in, a simple one, but most people avoid it. What's your dream? There is a book called What's Your Dream by Simon Squibb. He built a business from nothing. He started with no home at 15. Now he helps people build their own path. And what I like about this book is that it doesn't tell you to work harder. It asks you to stop and think about what you actually want. The main idea here is simple. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a real dream. Not something that sounds good, not something others expect, something that feels true to you. Because when your direction is unclear, everything feels heavy. But when your direction is clear, even small steps feels meaningful. So let's walk through a few simple ideas. Nothing complicated, just things you can notice in your own life. Most people were never asked the right question. They were told what to do, study, work, be responsible, and you probably did all of that. You became reliable, you became strong, but something along the way, your voice got quiet. So just pause for a second. When was the last time you asked yourself honestly, what do I want now? And maybe part of you is thinking, it's too late to change, too late to start again. But that feeling is not true, it's just familiar. You are not behind. You are experienced, you have lived, you have handled things, you have grown. So ask yourself, where do I keep telling myself it's too late? And what if it's not? Another simple shift, say it out loud. Because when a dream stays in your head, it stays weak. But when you say it, even quietly, it becomes real. So just think about this. If you had to say your dream in one sentence, what would it be? And if you don't know your dream yet, that's okay. You can start here. Ask yourself 3 simple questions. What do I like and what do I dislike? What pain have I gone through that I understand deeply? And how can I use that to help other people? Don't overthink it. Write your answers. Look for connections. Your dream is usually hidden right there. And here's something important. You don't need to feel ready. You won't feel ready. That's normal. Confidence doesn't come first. Action comes first. Then confidence follows. So instead of waiting, just take one small step. Not everything, just one thing. What is one small step you can take this week? And if you are afraid it may not work, that's okay, because failure is not the end. It's part of the process. It shows you what works and what doesn't. So instead of asking, what if I fail? Ask, what can I learn? You don't have to do this alone. You really don't. You need people. Even one person, someone to talk, someone to ask. Support changes everything. So think about this. Who can you talk to this week? And something shifts when you start moving, even in small ways. Your energy changes because now you are connected to something that matters. You don't need motivation. You feel pulled forward. So ask yourself, what gives me energy? Now, just pause for a moment. Take a breath. Think about your life as it is right now. What feels heavy? What feels missing? And gently ask yourself, what's my dream? You don't need to change everything. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need to prove anything. You just need to start listening to yourself, to what feels true. Maybe take a few quiet minutes today and write your dream down. Say it, see it, hold it. Feel what happens in your body when you read it back to yourself. Let it become real. And if you feel ready, share it in the comments. Not for me, for you. This could be the first moment you stop hiding your dream and start owning it. Start small, take one step. That's enough for now. Light your path, keep moving forward.